Hey friends, if you wish to set photos as a screensaver in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for screensaver in the Windows search bar and click on change screensaver. Okay, now it is mentioned as none by default. Click on this and select photos. Okay, it will immediately pick up the best photo, and then you can click on settings. You can click on browse. You can go to the folder from which you wish to pick photos. Okay, let's say pictures itself, and then click on OK, and then it will start the slideshow of the pictures in that folder as the screensaver. So it's not just one picture. You can click on this and then select save. The wait time can be set here accordingly, and then just click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.